In the last 30 years, unprecedented capital has flown into Israel, creating intense competition for the best deals, especially at the later stages, generating a vacuum and opportunity for unique venture capital funds to excel at the seed stage.
About 400-500 multinational companies have engineering R&D facilities in Israel, Intel, IBM, Apple, Microsoft, and that's, I think, the best testimony that something real is going on.
With a proven track record at one of Israel's most established and successful VCs, Genesis Partners, whose portfolio includes more than 30 exits and IPOs and acquisitions by global tech giants, the founders of F2 Capital are set to fill the gap at the seed stage.
We saw a gap in the market where guys were not getting funded from more mature VCs. The answer was always the same: come back when you have more traction. And it's so frustrating because you need capital to get the traction.
We choose industries that we think have growth potential, and that this specific company we can back can become a leader in that industry through their technology.
Their accelerator program, The Junction, has launched 127 companies that raised over $345 million and have been backed by funds like Sequoia, Greylock, Fidelity, and other leading international firms.
We work in a 6-month term with 5 startups for each wave. The biggest value that we bring in our program is our corporate partners.
I'm very excited to be here in the 3rd graduation of The Junction that we are a part of. So at HP, we're working on the next platforms and next generation in both computing and printing.
What we love is technologies which you can't find elsewhere in the world.
The best talents and startups that are in Israel that meet our strategic criteria.
HP, SAP, Munich Re, NL, Deloitte, Facebook, which we're here today holding this event. They help us really bring the market and the market validation.
After a rigorous selection process and 6 months of live due diligence, Wave 16 of The Junction included software-enabled startups that harness big data, artificial intelligence, and connectivity. The 5 rising stars of the latest wave include Regulus, PrintCB, Testcraft, CanPlay, and Convexum, a risk management platform for drones and autonomous vehicles.
We started working with Enel, the Italian energy company. The Junction really pushed the connection together. Actually, next week we'll be doing a pilot session together in Italy.
The 3 partners at F2 Capital have invested together $5 million of their own capital into the fund, which is 10 times the industry's average, reflecting conviction on their model and alignment with their investors.
We get to see some of the best seed stage companies in Israel a lot earlier than we would have. Met lots of VCs over here, ended up choosing the F2 guys to invest in and partner with.